I welcome you all 5 Minutes Information channel, and this is episode number 69. And in this episode I will talk about the library and its type. Viewer guidance notes of this video lecture available on the link of this video description. In this video I will talk about the three main points. Number 1, what is library or definition of a library? Number 2, what are the basic services of the library? And number 3, what are the different types of library by its format and by its user? The point number 1, what is library? Library is derived from a Latin term liber, meaning book. In Greek and the Roman languages, corresponding term is the bibliotheca, a collection or group of collection of book and other print and non-print material organized and maintained for use of reading, consultation, study, research, and preparing of bibliography and its extra. As per American Library Association, a library is a collection of resources in a variety of formats that is organized by information professional and other experts, provide convenient physical, digital, bibliographical, or intellectual access, and offer targeted services and program with the mission of educating, informing, and entertaining a variety of audience or user, and the goal of stimulating individual learning and advancing society as a whole. Point number 2, what are the basic library services? There are following traditional library services provided by the librarian in every library. Number 1, circulation service. Number 2, reference service. Number 3, document delivery service. Number 4, reading room. Number 5, bibliography service. Number 6, literature searching. Number 7, information literacy. Number 8, reprography. In the age of internet and online services, library provide the following services. Number 1, OPAC, online public access catalog. Number 2, online resource access. A, ebooks. B, e-journals. C, e-database. Number 3, table of contents. Number 4, digital repository. Number 5, discovery services. Number 6, online information and searching strategy. Number 7, referencing style. Number 8, plagiarism software and scanning of the manuscript. Number 9, research support services, and many more. Point number 3, what are the different types of library by its format and by its user? There are 3 main types of library on the basis of the format. Number 1, physical library, where a library has a library building. Number 2, e-library, online library, or digital library. Library does not has physical existence, but the documents are maintained on digital format and keep on a server and provide access through VPN, internet, or intranet to the library user. Number 3, hybrid library. Hybrid library are the mixture of both physical library and online library. Library are physically exist and as well as the online provide online access to its user. On the basis of library collections and supporting parent organization, library can be divided into 4 types. Number 1, academic library. Academic library further divide into 3 categories: school library, college library, university library. Number 2, special library. Number 3, public library. And number 4, national library. In next episode, I will define each library types like academic, special, public, and national library in detail. Here I wrap up the episode number 69. I trust viewer you understand the definition of library, its services, and its different format and its different types by collection and user. I will back soon, so stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information channel. Please comment on this video if it is informative, share and like. Thanks for watching.